For this question, methane is covalently bonded, so which is why the reason for it having a low boiling point is as follows. Again, for this part, methane is a covalent compound which cannot conduct electricity, and so the reason for this property is as follows. Take note, it must be written mobile ion or electrons. Okay, for this next question, they should tell you that this is compound Z. So how do you know what's in compound Z? If you look at the number of protons, 8 protons refers to oxygen, and 6 protons, based on the periodic table, refers to carbon. And there are 2 oxygen atoms. So if it's 1 carbon and 2 oxygen, you put them together, it will be CO2, which means the name is carbon dioxide. And what type of bonding is present? So if you look at the way the electrons are being shared, as well as carbon and oxygen being both non-metals, the bonding will be covalent bonding. Okay, and for the final part, they ask you to draw a dot and cross diagram to show the arrangement of all the electrons. So you must draw all the electrons in methane. So step number 1, go to the periodic table, write down how many electrons does carbon have, which is 6, and hydrogen, which is 1. So 6 electrons will give you 2.4. So we draw all the electrons for carbon and for the 4 hydrogen atoms. Then you can see that each electron will want to share with one another to become a pair. And thus, we draw carbon in the center as it only appears once, and the rest of the hydrogen around it.